Hey, what's up, squids? Here is the Joby mini handy tripod I've been using for the last 6 months. But here is the problem. After 2 months of usage, it went dead on me. So this is my run and gun vlogging setup when I'm off the bike. He's drowsy?
Oh, that's nice.
What?
That
I got like 2 of these bags.
That's nice.
And I use this exclusively. I don't use my helmet GoPro. But here is what happened. It went dead on me. So it dies. Normally you push this button in order to move it, but it's freaking dead. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So let's get stuck in. So you can pick this screwdriver up at any Lowe's hardware store, and you're gonna need, if you don't have this but you already have these already, these are one T10 and one T20. So the big one is the T20, the smaller one is the T10. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off of here. We're gonna have to open it up like this. We're gonna get the T20, which is the big one. It goes in here. Like that. This piece comes out. It has grooves in it. Then we're gonna get the T10, and we're gonna open up this part. Let's use some kind of glue. I can do that. So here's what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just a ball inside of this metal piece. And here's what we're going to do to repair that. I'm sure you can find foil in your kitchen. You're going to grab a small piece. Tear it up. And we're gonna put that in here like this. So when it fits on, it's gonna fit like this. Like this. But we gotta take off the edges. So nice in like that. And we're gonna come like this. And we're gonna simply tear off some of the edges like this. You can do this with scissors. I'm just gonna do it really quick with my hand. Then we're gonna put these back together. So this goes in here like this. So this has this groove right here, and this has this groove right here. They go back together like this. That's how they go back together. And you take your T10 screws and you start putting them back in. So now it's all in that. You don't want to tighten it too tight because this is plastic. This is not metal, it is plastic. So see, already we can see it's tight already. Screw it back on here. And already we can see no moving. If I wanted to move them, I gotta press this, then it'll move. Now, you gotta put these back together. Now this is the tricky part. These go from left to right. So look for this hole right here and look for this big one. So this big one, they go from left to right. So this one goes here and this one goes to the left of it. And then this one goes to the left of this. And it goes like this. And like this. And like this. So from left to right. So you're gonna put this, take this screw out. Now this has these marks in it and this piece right here that all line up together like this. Just like that. And then what you want to do is you're gonna put this. This also has grooves in it that also lines up. That groove right here, that groove right there, and this big one lines up right here with this bigger groove. It may not show up in camera, but I'll take pictures so you get. I'll take macro pictures so you can see everything. So here's how we put it together. You put this piece on. They go from left to right. So you want to take this one. You're going to put it in here like this. And you're going to turn it like that. And you look for the big one, the biggest one. And you put this in here like this. You're going to turn it. And you're going to look for the other one like this. You're going to put it in like this and turn it. And now you got them all together. Now what you got to do is screw this back together. And that's all she wrote, folks. Thanks for watching, Squids. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.